Jae Young is a South Korean actor and model. In 2025, he starred in My Lovely Journey. The same year, he also played When Life Gives You Tangerines. In 2024, he starred in The Judge from Hell. In October 2023, he signed an exclusive contract with Management S, an agency established by his longtime manager. Kim worked as a model at Esteem, but after leaving the agency, he faced about 18 months of unemployment. During this time, he began to seriously consider acting. In 2022, he starred in Love in Contract. In 2021, he starred in Reflection of You. After Esteem closed down, he had the opportunity to audition for the KBS drama Blade Man, featuring Shin Se-kyung and Lee Dang-ok. While filming this drama without a manager, Esteem reached out to him again. A friend and fellow model An Jae-yeon introduced him to HB Entertainment, leading to him working with both agencies. In 2013, he made his acting debut in the film No Breathing alongside Seo In-guk and Lee Sang-juk. Kim first entered the entertainment industry as a model at the suggestion of his father. In 2018, he starred in Dear My Room. After completing his military service, which left him feeling uncertain about his future, his father recommended modeling. Before pursuing this path, Kim weighed over 100 kg, but he lost more than 30 kg through weight management during and after his military service. Initially aspiring to be a chef, Kim joined Esteem Academy to train as a model. He debuted in 2010 and gained recognition through various fashion shows and pictorials, including those for MBO and General Idea. His performance in the 2016 film Derailed as Kang Sang-hoon earned moderate recognition.